Hey everyone! Crack the code of today's word. Impetus. 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 Meaning: a push or reason to start or do something. Sentence: her success gave me the impetus I needed to pursue my own goals. Question: what recent event or idea has provided impetus for you to start learning something new? Comment down. Unlock the hidden power of this idiom. Hang in there. Meaning: stay strong and patient in a difficult situation, don't give up. Sentence: I know things are tough right now, but hang in there, everything will get better soon. Question: when was a time you had to hang in there despite facing challenges? Comment down. Quick breakdown. What do have to, has to, and had to mean? When you talk about something you needed or were forced to do. Hope you learn well. Help others learn too, please share. Thank you. Goodbye.